In this tutorial, I am going to show you a winning deriv strategy that you can use to trade on the higher or lower section market type on your deriv. So this strategy is quite accurate and is what I have practiced for a number of weeks, and I am so happy to share with you. So if you are ready for this strategy, let's dive into it.
This Deriv bot can trade on a small account balance and make 100% profits within 2 minutes. All you have to do is connect the bot to your Deriv account and allow it trade automatically. Let me show you now. Excellent! Now you have seen how the bot is trading and making profits. How can I download the bot? Please head on to this website, sogit.com. Register an account, log into your dashboard, and download the bot free. Yes. For a limited time, the bot is available for free download.
All right, welcome back. So just before I get started with the strategy, let me just share with you our company. Our company is called soget.com, and with Soget you can actually you can use our platform to fund your deriv account. So as you can see on your screen, you can use Soget to fund your deriv account, and if you also want to purchase a perfect money or astropay or bitcoin, you can also use Soget. And now we have just launched our deriv super bots. So we have a deriv bot on Soget which you can install to your deriv account, and it can trade for you and make profit for you. So this bot is, as at now, is free, so you can download the bot free on soget.com. So simply log into your Soget account. If you don't have an account on Soget, you can just quickly sign up and sign into your account and download the bot free. So now let's return back to the tutorial. So if you want to trade this strategy, of course you must have logged into your deriv account like this, and then just come to your smart trader here. Although you won't see smart trader, you are going to see, you by default you are going to see D trader. As you can see here, D trader here. So but you just come to this smart trader, so click on smart trader, and that's where it will take you to this page. So the asset that we are trading on, that's the instrument, is the bear market index. All right, so that's just what you see here. It's under the synthetic indices, just bear market index. All right, and then you just come under this section here, just take higher or lower. All right, okay, so that's it. So now on the duration, just leave it at ticks. So we're using the strategy, we're going to use 5 ticks, so just leave it at ticks here, and then the duration is 5 ticks. So most importantly, the barrier offset is what I want to show you. So the barrier offset, you just come here, just backspace, then you take it to 3.0. all right, so that's the barrier offset, which is going to be added to the current price. So I'll just show you in a moment how we are going to be using this to trade and make money with this strategy. All right, so make sure that the barrier offset is plus 0.3. Okay, and then you can see this is my deriv real account. You know, all the tutorials I always do, I make sure I use my real account for you to know that these strategies are actually working. And if you are not okay with this strategy, you can always check the channel, and then we have series of other deriv strategies that you can use for yourself. All right, so this is strategy we're going to be taking on the lower here. All right, but before we do that, we just have to use some indicators. So you just come to this chart at the bottom here. Just click on your chart here. So you can see this place here, indicators. So just click on it. So we'll be using two indicators for this awesome strategy. All right, so you just come here, you just search for this indicator. It's called awesome oscillator. All right. Alright, so just leave it at the default settings. Alright, just take the awesome oscillator, then leave it at the default settings. Okay, so once you've done that, it's going to show here at the bottom of your chart. Then you come back to the indicator. You had another one here. Just come here, just type EMA, that's the exponential moving average. Alright, so just click on it. Okay, so but this time we're going to adjust the period to 10. Alright, just leave it at 10. Okay, let me just, okay, it's a 10 here. All right, so just take okay. Yeah, fantastic. So our chart is set up now, so we can be able to take trades. So I'll just tell you what you need to do before you take trades. So for myself, when I use this, I always like to maximize this a bit. So I'll just drag this here a bit. All right, so I can just see it clearly. Okay. Alright, so my friends, our chart is well set up. So I'll just show you the rules of this strategy. It's very simple. Okay, so I'll be staking I'll be staking 5 USD, and then let me just explain the strategy to you. So now what you're going to do is, since our barrier offset is plus 0.3, we're going to be taking lower. Alright, so we're just going to tell the market that the market is going to go lower after 5 ticks based on our barrier offset. So this is the current price. This here is the current price of the asset, and this here is the price of the asset in addition with our barrier offset. So this is the price that we'll be predicting that the market will remain lower below this price after 5 ticks, so we can make profit. So we're going to be using these two indicators here. All right, so now you can see this is the EMA, is the one in red. All right, so whenever the EMA is above the price, okay, whenever this red line here, which is the EMA, is above the price and then is in a downward trend, that is just the signal for us to take a trade. So we will just hold on at that moment, then we'll use the awesome oscillator to confirm. So we're going to use the awesome oscillator to confirm the trade. So whenever the awesome oscillator goes below the zero line here, and the red line displays below the zero line at the display of the second awesome oscillator bar, then you just take a trade. So once you do that and you master it correctly, you will notice that the winning accuracy is very high. So that's what I'll be doing for you in this strategy. So let's just follow carefully. So once we see that the signal or the condition is met, we'll just take a trade. So I'll just be waiting, and I'll be observing my chart here. So once the awesome oscillator goes below the zero line and the moving average, that's the exponential moving average, is above the tick, that's the market price, in a downward trend, then we'll click on purchase here. So let's just be ready. We may get a trade any moment from now. All right, so we've taken our first trade. Let's just see the outcome. All right, so you can see once you follow the rules, guys, you would always get this strategy. So we're just taking our first trade. So you can see, guys, we've won the first trade, and that's just it. You can see. So I'll just close this, and you can see my balance now is 12.69. So guys, you just have to be patient and wait for the right signal condition to be met before you take your trade. All right, so let's see. We may take another trade any moment from now. All right, so we've taken a trade. All right, guys. So guys, you can see we've just taken our second trade and won it. So this is just what you need to do about this strategy. Just make sure you follow the rules and you'll be good to go. All right. So because of time and I don't want the video to be too long, I'll just take one more trade. All right, and we'll just call it a day. So just make sure to practice this very well. We've taken two trades now, and let's just wait for the third trade. All right, so just remember the barrier offset is very important. Make sure that it's in this plus 0.3, or okay. So let's just see if we could take another trade. All right, so just make sure that the conditions are met. You can see this trade I took, you can see this was the region of the trade. Once your moving average is above the market price and your auction oscillator is below the zero number, then you can take the trade. Let's see, maybe we could just take our third trade and call it a day. Awesome, guys. So guys, you can see we've just done this. We've taken our third trade and we've won it. So this is just how you can do this strategy, guys. Just make sure to follow the rules and you'll be good to go. You can see this is the signal of the third trade. This is the chart part. This is the chart here. Once the moving average is above the market price and your awesome oscillator goes just below the zero line, just after the second red line, you see the red bar, then you can now take your trade and you just see how the return is. So this is the strategy, guys, and I hope you've gotten it. So if you have any question, you can always go to the comment section and just type so get just drop a comment for us, so we'll just guide you and provide more information. Remember to practice this on demo. I've been doing this for many weeks, and it's quite easy now for me to just do it on my real account. Remember, if you see my account balance, I started at $10. I can see now my balance is $18. All right, so before I conclude the video, remember, if you want to get our free Soget Deriv super bot, you can go to soget.com and just create an account on Soget, log in and download the bot free. And the bot is performing wonders and is doing very well. And if you are not a Nigerian and you want to get access to the bot, the price is just $10, and we'll deliver the bot to your email. And also, most importantly, guys, please, if you enjoyed our tutorials and the content we produce on this channel, please support us by subscribing to the channel. Click on the bell icon beside it so that anytime we release awesome tutorials and materials like this, you'll be the first to know. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for your time, guys, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.